We always have some features for you. In this segment, we have Jeff, and inside Jeff Zekin's mind, close the door.
Well, I'll tell you what.
Traveling and tires.
Well, traveling is just to get your tires going for the summer season. Places that you can buy them, because this is going to be my tire day. Different places, different opportunities. You're going to replace them because they're old. You get a flat. You need to get 2 tires, 1 tire, maybe change the spare. But here you go. These are the places you can buy tires that are fairly inexpensive. Costco is one of them. You may not know that, but Costco does have an automotive department. Surprised to know that you can get tires at Costco in addition to your rotisserie chicken, Michael, or a hot dog, Don. Check out your local Costco Tire Center for prices. Remember to factor in free installation. 5-year road hazard warranty is also there. Rotation, balance, and other checks of your automobile. The next one is Tire Rack. Now, this is an online service. You may want a specialized tire, perhaps looking for tires that can only be shipped directly to you. Tire Rack has plenty of options, direct to the consumer, dealer, or the shop that you do business with. When you're comparison shopping.
How can they compete? I don't understand how they can compete price-wise with the big box stores or with, like, say, for instance, Discount Tire.
They can price match, and it used to be back in the day when I was heavily
involved. But that includes shipping?
In some cases it does, but when they price matched back in the day, it was only for a brick and mortar store because of the shipping, and the tires cheaper online than they were at that Discount Tire or the Costco or the Walmart. But nowadays they're all about the same price, so that's all washed. The shipping and all that stuff, sometimes it's included, sometimes they waive it depending on the value of what you're buying.
I had no clue.
Yep. So Tire Rack is one of them. And then, of course, the mobile installation. Tire Rack has a service where they'll drive up to your house in their truck and put them on for you in your driveway or your work.
But I don't want my tires delivered to my house. I have nothing. So this would work.
A house or business.
Well, I mean, yeah. Take it to the for instance, Carolina.
Yeah.
I don't know whether she has mounting facilities there at her shop.
I know that, but we're going to get into that here in just a minute.
I know another journalist that I follow on Facebook, she ordered tires, and she had a picture of them in her driveway, all 4.
Yep.
She was looking for somebody to put them on.
Yeah. Well, you got to figure that out before
online,
you do that. Now, that's her fault.
Well, I understand, but, it's a lot of people get caught that way. Oh, I can get them online cheaper. Well, now it's like a dog chasing a car. What do you do with it when you catch it?
Yeah, exactly. So, but you have to consider that in there, and they'll tell you all about that once you get on their site. The next one we have is Walmart. Wally World may not be traditional to consider when you're in the market for a few tires, but when you're at Walmart, you can get your car serviced, your oil changed, your tires rotated, balanced. You can get new tires while you're doing the shopping, while you're looking at the shoe department, or you're buying a new bathing suit, Mike. So all of that stuff while you're shopping, you can have those stuff done.
Mike buying a bathing suit. Really?
They don't sell G-strings there.
God.
And the next one we have that you can buy vehicle or tires for your vehicle is Tire Buyer. You have different options for tires depending on what you need. The Tire Buyer can help you navigate those choices. They all can do that. It's just a matter of your choice.
You can do that for
You
them.
can do that.
No, you.
Yeah, I could. Yeah. Typical options like searching maybe your year, make, model. They put all that in. They will direct you to the size of the tire for your vehicle. If you're looking for high-performance tires, that's a good place to go also. Online for high-performance tires is probably the better way to go unless you know somebody that deals with performance tires.
But then you still got the same problem of getting them mounted. Because not everybody can mount those.
Here's your answer to that. There's a place called Simple Tire. Simple Tire works with shops in your area. So if you go to Simple Tire, you're looking for tires and you buy the tires, they will recommend, we'll go to Don's Lube or go to Mike's body repair place. They will do your tires for you. So they recommend.
So it's like a mobile thing.
Well, no, they recommend places, okay, you're going to buy the tires.
It's a brick and mortar store to
and
go to.
The nearest place near you is 2 miles away. We'll deliver them to that place and you can set up the appointment.
Oh, so they don't send them to your house.
They send them to that place because they are part of that.
I don't want tires sent to my house. I'm going to put 4 brand new Corvette tires in the Corvette to take it somewhere to get them mounted. Not.
Exactly. I agree.
Okay, we know his feeling on that. Amazon is another one. really does have everything you need, including tires, but you got to be careful because, of course, there's no installation, and they will deliver them anywhere you want, depending on the address you give them. But getting a retailer to do that is okay. In some cases, you have to look at what Amazon does, because if you buy a tire, it's only going to be one tire, not one set. So if you're looking for 4 tires, you got to put in 4 tires. So there's a little discrepancy with Amazon on that.
Got to pay attention.
Yeah. And the last one is Sam's Club. Of course, it's just like the Costco's. They have a shop there. You can get your oil changed and all that good stuff while you're walking around getting that hot dog or getting that piece of pizza, Mike, or that bathing suit. So there you go. Check them out.
And I will say this, that Jeffrey helped me a lot when it came to purchasing the replacement tires on the Corvette. Now, the car's tires that it came with that were on there, I didn't realize how thin they were in the back, because certain people that owned the car prior to me apparently burnt them off of it. But whatever the case may be, Jeff helped me in the fact that he made sure for the guy over at Discount to make a note on the order sheet that I wanted these tires, but I wanted to make sure that the build date on those tires were within, 6 months of each other or something?
You're good with a year, but 6 months is even better.
Yeah. So although the tires were the same period of birthdays, okay?
Yeah. Build date.
Yeah, the build date of the tire. And I never thought about that.
No.
But, when you buy tires and you don't have somebody that is really looking out for you, like Jeff looked out for me, I wouldn't know. New tire's a new tire.
Yeah, give me 4 tires or 3 tires, whatever it is.
But the build date can be important, and why is that, Jeff?
Well, because they deteriorate. Tires do rot on the shelf, like anything. It's like a head of lettuce. It generally goes bad. Tires do that too. And the next segment, my Motor Minute, we're going to talk a little bit about something like that.
Okay,
so
good.
just kind of led into it. Well, so there you go.
Interesting.
Just call me Karnak.
I didn't know you could do that. I didn't know that you could tell them that I want.
Yes, absolutely.
That.
And
that tire's too old. You got to give me something different. Just tell them. Just flat out tell them that the tires, and they know. They think that you're not going to know.
Yeah, you're not paying attention.
It's the week and the year the tire was built.
I guarantee you, one of my girls, she's bought some tires recently. She never looked at that.
I never did
she
either.
She just had a bad tire. I need a new one.
Yeah. So if it's 20 of 24, it's the 20th week of 2024.
Learn something new every day.
Today's In-Wheel Time Car Talk Show is sponsored by the group of original Loopy Tortilla restaurants in Houston, Beaumont, and College Station, Gulf Coast Auto Shield, and Pro-Am Auto Accessories.
Cool.
Our show continues right after this quick break.
The original.